Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. This is going to be a vlog. I am on holiday. I am on 8 days holidays, and what I have been doing, literally 1 minute, I wore the slippers without stockings. It's really getting cold. What I am doing literally this 8 days is trying to visit people that I've not seen for a very long time and cleaning the house. My kitchen needed a lot of cleaning. When I mean a lot of cleaning, it's not that it's not clean, but I have not given it thorough cleaning for a very long time. I think for over 2 months now. I have not really like bring out all the cupboard, change the papers, change, use as in, that kind of cleaning. I have not done it, and that is what I have been doing since I woke up today. I woke up today and I spoke to one of my sisters that lost her mom, and yeah, we spoke about for 2 hours, and then I started cleaning the kitchen. I have not finished cleaning, but I have to run off now. I have to pick my husband, and I want to use that opportunity to go for shopping. We don't have toiletries in the house anymore. We don't have soap, toothpaste. I think we have only for just today and tomorrow. I haven't had a facial, like I have not. And I'm having a lot of breakouts because I ate a lot of granite. Anytime I eat granite, but now I'm beginning to eat a granite anyhow. That one is not my business. Anyway, so I'm going to be running off to a shop where I can also buy toiletries, and yeah, come with. This is the kitchen, and honestly, I've been cleaning. This is meat stock that I have to put, and these are all the fruit that are inside the fridge. When I come back today, I have to look for something to do with this. Yeah, cleaning. Anyways, like I said, today is a cleaning day. These are all the bottles that I have to return, and all the ones that I have to also throw away. Honestly, I don't know if I'm able to carry those bottles. It has been raining for weeks now. Like everywhere, the weather is not bright at all. Oh my God, I am so tired. Oh my God. Even if I'm not able to throw it away today, at least I know that it's inside the boot. See, those bottles, it has been there for a very long time. Some of the bottles has been there for like 2 to 3 months. I've not been able to sell them. They are money anyway. There are some that I will throw away, especially Fanta and Coke. No, Fanta and malt that I bought from African shop. But the rest things there are fun. We sell them. Each of them is 25 cents. The plastic are 25 cents for one, and the bottles are 8 cents for one. So they are money. So I'm going to go there. I don't know. Sometimes if my husband closes from work, he can be impatient. He will say that he's very tired. I hope he's not having a bad day today, so that we can just stop by and change those stuff. Like literally, you just think that I have 8 days holiday. 1 day is out of it already. He's left with 7 days, and these 7 days, I have a lot of appointments. Like I have things lined up that I don't even know if I am able to like even finish up this week. I plan traveling to Frankfurt also to change my passport. I don't know if I'm able to meet up with all the things that I have to, but anyway, we'll move. Good afternoon.
How are you?
Why? Guys, this is my favorite shop in my city. This is called DM, and perfume, cream, body scrub, anything you can think of, they have it in quantum. So the first thing I bought was this sponge. They call it peeling and massage
sponge, but sponge. Oh. So I'm going to be buying this for our face. I've been looking for this for a very long time anyway, but I got now. Then I'm going to also be buying our body cream. If you have followed me for a very long time, over a year, that is what we have been using. So what is happening here in DM? I saw this detox. This is the facial marker, the facial company that I've been using. I used it I think 4 years ago. So today I got here and I saw their product on the shelf. The products are very, very expensive. Almost I no go fit. I did this when I was single. I love it again. Anyways, I went back to my Ghani. You can get scrub, facial scrub, syrup, oil. You can get different types, and there are between 9 to 10 euros, but the other one is 14, 16, 17 euros. Anyway, I got back and then I took some of the things that we needed, and I noticed that a lot of products that Ghani has, they are not more in the market. All the oil that I normally use on my face, I didn't get any oil at all, and I was wondering what is happening to them. Anyways, I also got face cleanser, facial scrub. I have not used this product before. I don't know if it is new, but I will be trying it also. I also got some vitamin C and syrup. And guys, I was so happy that DM has started selling other products. This is a new product, so it is called No Cosmetics, and their price is not here. No. They call it young. If you want a younger skin, not be me and no. I don't old. Besides, I don't old. Anyways, I got some lip gloss that is made up Yoyoba. Anytime I see Yoyoba products, I don't know what is wrong. So guys, as I could not get Ghani oil, so I ended up this bee oil. I have never used this oil before, but a friend of my sister of my hobby, she has used this product before. I have never used this oil before, but because I didn't see anyone and I know that she has used something like this, I bought it. I'm going to be mixing it with our cream because it is winter. Anytime it's winter, our skin gets so dry, especially our colored skin. So I normally mix with oil anytime it is very, very cold. So these are the things that I got, and everything you're seeing here is 61 euros. So when I got home, I made some noodles for us to eat to hold belly because I haven't had breakfast. So, and I've been working, so I made this noodle for us to eat, and I grilled some fish with it that we ate in between, something to just chew until I make dinner because I know if you make lunch again. So this is what we had for dinner: yam pop. So guys, that is how our day went. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time, and bye.